Hey YouTube, what's up? Ember 1205 here for Hot Camaro channel. Today's video is a little impromptu, right? Came out of nowhere. And what it really comes down to is I went to go run a couple of errands tonight and, well, let me back up a little. I ran some errands this afternoon. All was fine. Came home, parked the car in the garage, went to run some errands tonight. And what I ran into is when I backed the car out of the garage, I was running into some issues. I started getting some scraping, squealing noises. Quickly traced it to passenger side front wheel. You can definitely hear something hanging in there. Really not sure what it is, but I'm guessing that there's a pebble or something that fell down in between the shield on the backside of the rotor and the rotor itself, and it's just kind of rattling around in there. So the car's got like 2,500 miles on it. It's been, clean and noise free till tonight. And I probably drove the car, 2,000 feet tops. Put it right back in the garage, and now I get the thing up in the air because I want to figure out what the heck's going on. So I lifted it. Lots of fun noises. I'm going to set it back down. Pull the wheel, well, loosen the lugs, lift it up, pull the wheel, get in there and take a closer look. See what it is, see what's happening. All right, there it is. That little thing that's not terribly easy to see is exactly what I thought. It's a piece of gravel that somehow got popped up inside of there and is now stuck between the inside of the hat and the shield on the back. So I'm going to get something to deflect the shield, and hopefully it'll drop right out. There it is. That's the thing that caused all that commotion. Tiny little piece of gravel, pea stone, crap that my town threw on the street that my street connects to. Not only has it chipped up paint in certain places on my car. Here's my rock guards. These have been on here for about 1,000 miles. And now this. Whatever. I'll put it back together and we'll be all good to go. At any rate, thanks for watching. Sometimes the stupidest little things can cause the biggest problems or make you think you're going to have a big problem. And they're not. I had somebody with me, and I had them drive the car, or at least let the car roll, and I very quickly realized there was definitely something that was making that thin piece of metal behind the rotor vibrate. Brought the car right back into the garage. Knew that I had to get in and take a look. Something was up with the brakes. Didn't expect anything that small to create such a big noise, but hey, that's how it goes sometimes. At any rate, hope you found it useful, or at least entertaining. Happened to me, not you. If it did happen to you, put it in the comments. Let me know. Otherwise, please subscribe, like, comment, and as always, thanks for watching. Till next time, Ember 1205, out.